Welcome to our second tutorial that is going to help us to learn how we can set our drawing limits with Autocad. So this is how we begin. As you can see our command line, maybe we need to first know why do we need to set the drawing limits. Number one, when you look at this space here, our space here runs this side to infinity, runs down to infinity, runs up to infinity, and even this side. So as we are going to draw, we need to reduce this space to the space that we can easily work with. So that's why we need to change our limits. So we shall come to the drawing command line here, and we type the word limits and press enter. Once we press enter, they will tell us specify the lower left corner. The lower left, this is the lower left corner, and it is just like you're dealing with coordinates, the x-axis and the y-axis. And the x-axis, the point will be 0 and then 0, 0 to the x and 0 to the y. So we can just type 0, 0 and press enter, or you can still leave it since it was still here. Since it was here, we can still leave it that way, but if you're okay with it, please go on and say 0, 0 and then press enter. After pressing enter, we need to specify the upper right corner, upper and right corner, this point here. So this point here is going to be 12 units from here to this side, 12 units from here to here, and 9 units up. So we shall type 12, 9 and press enter, and we shall have set our drawing limits in that way. Or else you can still come and see from format here, and there is a word drawing limits down here, and you can click and you'll be able to see the same thing, and you go through the same process. Enter, enter. Now when you finish to set your drawing limits, we need to zoom all these limits to our screen. And what do we do? What do we do when we want all these limits to come to our screen? We just type Z, enter, A, enter. That's all. What are we doing? Zoom. When you come to view here, zoom. We are trying to zoom the whole screen here, like you see, zoom all. That's all we have done. But by shortcut, you just say Z, enter, A, enter. Thank you very much. Let's wait for the tutorial number 3.